Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Thank you for your support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Yesterday we did a live stream in the Discord there, the Patreon. That was amazing. We're going to sort something out for a larger capacity right there. But thank you for the feedback on that live stream. It was amazing. And I think I covered so many coins. I was in there, I got a bit carried away myself. I think I covered around about 30 or 40 coins or something. It was pretty crazy, and there was some absolute gems in there, you know, really top-notch gems with fantastic potential upside. Okay, so yesterday there was a few trolley comments on the video. Obviously no one wants to hear that you're going to have a correction or your coin's going to come down, and everyone calling me an idiot because we broke out and we're going up. But you know, it is what it is. If it breaks out, fantastic, and like I said to you, you can break out on some news and you're gone. But for me, I still think XRP is still a little bit lackluster, because you're still not breaking out, you're still not basically pumping, are you, and breaking this high. So for me, I think it's a bit of a rinse repeat pattern, to be honest with you. I think you're looking for a key level support, and I think you will find that support. So until we break this high, I'm slightly more biased, to be honest with you, that we are going through a very similar correction of, breakout that we've done many times before. You know, even when we come down to that key level support, which I'm looking for, you know, I still think we're going to shoot up to $4.55. So regardless of the correction and the pullback and things like that, I still think we're on our way, and we're painting some beautiful pictures right here. Okay, so there's this descending triangle right here which we've broken out of. So this is bullish, to be honest with you. This is great. We're breaking a key level resistance, we're starting to come up, and if we can get continuation here, you know, you've got a technical target of this descending triangle straight off the bat on the daily time frame. Look, you're on your way, you've broken that level of resistance, you're going to come up and retest this high. So it's great. But if you start to get rejected there and you fail to break this high, you're going to roll, obviously, aren't you? And you're going to lose this support, and you're going to come down to another key level support. Because if you do break this high, you have a technical target. Okay, it's all about breaking the high. I'll show you straight away the impulsive wave to that target. You'll be looking at a $1.57 price tag, which from here, if we do get the continuation from this point right here, you're looking at further appreciation around about 32%. But you know, to be responsible, this is what I always tell people: wait for the break and the confirmation of this high broken. You know, if you start to break that high, you are looking at a lovely little long op on XRP of around about 16%. Okay, so that's that. If you break that high, it's all about breaking this high, because you can come out, you can have throwbacks, you know, and come back into the pattern, because I'm going to show you exactly where this happened before. Okay, you broke out, yay, broke out of a descending triangle, amazing, run away. So again, this is what I'm expecting. Like I said to you, it works in waveforms. Okay, you come up, get a extended fallback to support, come up, you know, it works in waveforms. You know, this particular impulsive wave target was met on the absolute nose, which I anticipate that this particular impulsive wave target is going to get absolutely met on the nose as well, providing we can hold support moving forward. So just here, look, let me explain. We broke out, we came down, we load out, okay, this correction, we load out, we came back up, we ran into a level of resistance, and we formed a descending triangle just there, and we pumped up, hit a level of resistance, rolled, had a correction, come down to a key level support. Okay, still good, still golden, still looking for continuation, because you was holding the 55 and you was in an uptrend. Okay, so good, golden cross, come up, overextended, come back to support, continuation, come up, okay, come up, overextended, golden cross, come back to support, continuation. Do you see that? Rinse repeat, basically. Just because it's there doesn't mean it has to happen again, though. But my duty is to show you the levels of support and potential targets to put cheeky bids in if you lose support. Okay, right now you are in a technical target to the upside, and you will get continuation providing you break that high at 135. Okay, break that high at 135, you're looking at continuation, you're looking at 157. But if you do something very similar to this particular correction just there, where you came down, you know, in this descending triangle, you came down like this, you know, resistance, broke out, yay, ran into a level of resistance, didn't break the high, rolled back, lost support, you had a whopping correction, and you came down to a key level support. Okay, now again, you can see if you was to do exactly the same thing, where are you? You're coming back to the 0.618, the golden ratio. So, you know, I'm not saying history repeats, but if it does, this is golden, because you're going to go through a beautiful impulsive wave, and you're going to be looking at a greater appreciation here. Just look, let me show you. If we drop the bar pattern on from here, from this line here, which is 382, to this level here, look, if we come down to there and bounce, look where we're going to. We're going to our impulsive wave target at 450. Let me show you. So I'm not saying history repeats, but if it does, wow, what an opportunity, because if it does come down there, you know, and bounce off the 0.618 at 90 cents, or lower, or wherever it is, you're looking at a 398% long up on XRP here, okay, which will be absolutely golden. It will be a rinse repeat, because I'll show you right now, that is the impulsive wave technical target of this wave. Look at that, boom, look at that. You know, you can't write this stuff. So that's why some people say you've got a crystal ball, Tom, but I've not. It's just things happen in the charts that have happened before, you know, a kind of rinse repeat pattern. So you can see if you lose support right here that you created for yourself at $1, where are we? $1.04, isn't it? I think it is. If you start to see the roll in the market and you lose support, just put some cheeky bids down here, okay, on that golden ratio. Boom, and you can see how it could have formed the next beautiful impulsive wave after a bit of a corrective wave down, which is healthy. I want to remind you, you know, this was healthy. You had an ABC correction just there of a larger wave. Look, so you did this ABC correction, came up, A, B, C, correction, up here, A, B, C, correction. And this is what I'm looking at, potentially. To invalidate that and to get this corrective wave done here, all we have to do is break 135. Simple. We break that, you're still looking at the impulsive wave and still looking at continuation, and you're not having that deeper corrective wave down, just like you did here when everyone thought we were bearish, but it was actually bullish. Do you understand that? And the trouble is now, XRP is a little bit lackluster. That's the only problem, isn't it? You know, it's a little bit lackluster because of what's going on with the court case and everything. And I think yesterday you broke out here because it's a bit of a buy the hype, sell the news. Okay, so in anticipation of it being really good news, you know, people started to buy the hype, and now they're kind of selling the news off a little bit. I'm not saying you're not going to break out here, you know, because you are broken out of a descending triangle. You do have a technical target to the upside, but it's all about breaking that high at 135. Okay, break that high, you're looking at beautiful impulsive wave to 157. If you start to roll, just put some cheeky bids on the golden ratio down there. Okay, that's XRP. I hope you understand the update. I'll be back tomorrow with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.